Good morning. Good morning. You're wrecked this morning. You're a wreck this morning. You're a wreck. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, we're Scarlett and Seth. We live in a van with our two cats, Lula and Sasha. Today we got a bit of a chore day going on. So we got a lot of things we got to do, just kind of normal everyday van life chores. We've got to throw our trash and recycling out. We've got to fill water, empty our gray water. We've got to do some laundry, which is always like a huge ordeal. Oh, we got to go to Target. Don't forget about Target now. So anyway, chore day coming for you. Let's get after it. Right, ladies? Good morning, ladies. Baby cat, how are you? Chunkwellen, how are you? There she is. Let's get these ladies fed. Come on, lady babies. Lady babies. Wow, you ladies are eating right today.
Thought I'd take you guys through my morning routine, which is very, very simple. One thing I do have that I'd highly recommend is these like little trays. I actually still have the tags on them. These are from Target. And you can stack them. So like what I do is stack them like this. You can like fit more and you can just actually see what you have. So the first thing I always use is this Tula. This is the Rose Glow. This is my everything. It's a cooling and brightening eye balm, okay? You just put it like under your eyes. And I actually sometimes like put it over my eyes and it just cools your face and then I just rub it in. Next, I'll go in with Tula Protect and Glow SPF 50. It has a little sparkle to it, a little shimmer. Doesn't feel heavy on your face at all, which I really like. Next, we are going in with Dime Cosmetics Volume Mascara. It's the only mascara I use. And then we will go in with the Dime Eyebrow Enhancing Gel. Give them a little boost. That's about it. She's a simple routine for a simple girl. All done, all ready for the day. Ready to tackle some van life errands. Definitely recommend these little trays. You can fit like all kinds of stuff. And again, it just keeps it more organized.
Nice.
That's that.
Morning routine with Scarlett.
Morning routine. Let's get physical. I wanna get physical. I'm putting on a hat because it is freezing cold outside.
Let's look for a trash can.
So he put the trash right on Sasha. Okay.
One of the things we like to do when we're in a smaller town like this, where we're staying consistently, is just like basically do daily grocery shops, because it kind of makes more sense. We don't have that much room to store food, and it's just really nice to not do like huge shops. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, hopefully it's not as busy as it was yesterday. Oh, that's a nice pumpkin. We got our pumpkins. Where's my pumpkin? Oh, I'm just gonna put everything on the bed because why not? Oh, and these are so good. We're gonna make lunch with these later. These are coming with me up in the cab. Hello. Thank you. Oh God, it's so hard to open. Oh.
That's nice. Oh, that's exciting right now. Jump on, baby. Oh! Was she back there? She was trapped.
Oh my God. Lula ate asparagus last night. Whole stalk of asparagus.
Whole stalk.
What a freak.
She ate it.
Here, you want a chip?
So weird. The ladies are not the biggest fan of chore days because we're constantly stop and go, stop and go, stop and go. Scarlett's gonna do laundry while I make us lunch.
Yeah. Oh, that's disgusting.
What, you don't sweat in your socks?
I wouldn't put wet socks in the laundry. That's disgusting.
Where am I supposed to put them? Am I supposed to hang them around this place the way you do?
I would prefer that.
Am I supposed to use that bench over there the way you do?
These are just really thin laundry detergent sheets. These are Earth Breeze. Hopefully they take card.
We have a bunch of Canadian money.
Yeah, I know. We have Canadian money that we never exchanged.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
While Scarlett does laundry, I'm gonna get started on lunch today, which is what I call a cold bowl. Welcome.
Thank you.
Honestly, keeping it real here, we've got a lot of dishes in the sink. We've got the bed out with crap all over the place. We've got food out all over the place now.
It's a short day.
Yeah, this is how it is, to be honest. But these bowls are good, so that's what we're doing now.
Seth is complaining about the state of the van, which I'm not. I just embrace that it's a reset day.
I'm saying it puts me in a bad mood.
I think it's funny.
Wish the ladies could clean. Imagine if we had 2 little maids running around in here.
That'd be so nice. Can't wait to bring like 2 bags of laundry in here too. That'll be fun.
For every day you see where something cool is happening and it's all that, there are about 5 more like this.
That's nice.
I'm so tired.
I'm exhausted. Like a literal piece of garbage in the bed.
I'm exhausted. Working on this little drawer here. This one, I don't know if you can see that very clearly, but it broke off. And so I'm actually scavenging a different one from a different place in the van, because this drawer has been busting open on us all the time.
Feels kind of silly to be making the bed at 2:30 basically, but if we don't make the bed, we can't put away our clothes once they come out of the dryer, so I know when I have to make it in less than 5 hours, I'm gonna, oh hi, you were hiding under there. Hi. Someone was hiding under the bed. Hi. Oh, wow, thank you. Sometimes living in a van, literally all it feels like is just cleaning up after yourself constantly. Seth said the repercussions of every decision are larger in the van, which is very true. If you're gonna cook a meal, there's gonna be a huge mess. If you're not gonna make the bed, there's gonna be a huge mess. If you're gonna go on a hike, there's gonna be a huge mess. So, small space, big mess. But it gets clean quick, so I'm not complaining.
Okay.
Dry.
Oh, it's not dry?
No. Well, I just realized I put it on low, like the lowest setting for 30 minutes. So now I just went back in and put it on high for 10 minutes.
Nice.
Yeah, I know. Fun, right? I feel like we were doing good up until 30 minutes ago, and now I'm so sleepy. And we still have so much to do. Oh, so Seth just went in to get the laundry because I was too tired to do it. Yep. Hello? Oh, I'm so tired. Oh my god, the sink's still full of dishes. We don't have any water. Oh, and we were supposed to paint pumpkins. Hello? Seth? Hi.
The laundry maid is back.
Oh, please. All you did was go and get the
I know.
after I did all of it. I'm so tired.
I know.
I forgot to pull out 2 of these. Not the hoo-haws.
Laundry always takes forever.
I know.
It always takes forever. I wish there was some way to automatically do like washing and drying. Like if you could drop, I guess that's like those places you take your laundry and people do them and then like give them back to you completed. Like dry cleaning.
Dry cleaning. Yeah. Hello?
Chuckwellen?
That's how much room we have.
For real. Laundry day.
People always ask, they like see only Seth cooking or like only me cleaning. And they're always like, you would get it done twice as fast if the other person helped. And it's
Which
like,
is
do you
so
see
inaccurate. Yeah.
why we can't both be like moving around the kitchen or both be like cleaning the van? Excuse me.
Excuse you.
Excuse me.
Excuse you. Do I have anything else over there?
No. I need something to cheer me up. What about Starbies?
You know what I like from Starbucks?
What?
The vanilla bean frappuccino. I haven't had one in like the last decade. I've never had one. But
Yeah.
low key, those things are fire.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
Get in there. Don't you just love when you do laundry and then you have like a full ass freaking.
I very much dislike it. Here's a pair of shorts.
Oh, I asked.
Sorry.
I asked if there was anything there.
You asked if I had.
I said,
anything else.
I said, do you have any of my stuff over there? And you're like, oh. No, look, there's 4K evidence. Play it back. Play it back. Do I have anything else over there?
No. I just bought these towels, and I love these towels.
Do you?
Yes.
I find that the waffle weave doesn't absorb.
No, the waffle weave is
The waffle
fire.
weave does not absorb.
No, the waffle weave is fire.
Also, is it just me or have we put these bags away like 17 times today?
Well, we put them away, but then I took them to go get the laundry.
You're right though, that laundromat is sick.
Yeah, isn't it nice?
It's like the nicest laundromat I've ever been in.
Yeah.
Next up, Target.
There might be a Starbucks in the Target.
Honestly, Starbucks in Target is such a flex.
Oh
Like,
my
walk
god,
around
if
Target
you're
with your
walking
Starbucks.
around a Target with
Yeah.
your Starbucks in hand, you are like next
made it.
level balling.
You've made it. We made it.
And then
Just pulled up to the state park where we're hoping to potentially camp and dump our gray water, fill our water, and the sunset looks like a real beauty tonight. This girl's literally running.
if you're not running to catch the sunset, are you really living?
Alright. Unfortunately, we went to dump our gray water and fill our water tanks, and this entire campground that we came to and we're thinking about staying for the night is actually winterized, so their water is completely shut off and their dump station is like down for the rest of the season. So, we'll be saving those chores for tomorrow, and we're not going to stay here. Quick little pasta dish. Some mushrooms, some little vegan sausages, little pasta, little squash sauce. There's a little kale cooked in there as well. Yeah, quick and simple. Cheers.
I see you already ate some.
Well, I gotta taste it, you know. I gotta make sure it's safe for you to eat, baby. It's not bad.
Very good. Thank you.
Welcome. Just finished up the final chore that's getting done for the day.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, thanks for watching. Thanks for liking the video, subscribing to the channel. All of that helps us out immensely. And we will see you next week on Friday for another video.
Bye. These hanging beans.